Virgil Abloh and Nike are dropping 4 Nike Blazers this year. Is this the best one? What's going on, guys? Thanks for tuning in to the Sneaker News YouTube channel. Today we are going to unbox a brand new pair of off-white Nikes. Before we get into this though, do us a favor, hit that subscribe button. We're posting new videos almost daily, so you're definitely going to want to check in with us to see what we're showing you. And of course, turn on your notifications if you want to know exactly when those videos go up. You guys ready? Let's go. Boom. This is the off-white Nike Blazer from the original The 10 Icons, designed by Virgil Abloh in collaboration with Nike. As you guys know, the Blazer was one of the original 10 models that he redid with the brand in 2017, and now more colorways are finally dropping. So in this video, we're going to talk a little bit about this colorway, the nickname of All Hallows Eve. Of course, touch on the resale prices and the resale prices of all the Nike off-white footwear, and talk a little bit about what's in store for 2019, because the Virgil Nike partnership is not going anywhere anytime soon. So again, this is the off-white Nike Blazer designed by Virgil Abloh. The official nickname is All Hallows Eve, and that was officially confirmed by Virgil and the off-white Instagram account. As you guys know, this as well as the black-white pair were leaked about a couple of months ago, and the off-white Instagram account officially called these All Hallows Eve. And as you guys know, that's in reference to the upcoming Halloween holiday. And we do know that these are dropping on October 3rd for $130. So just to show you a quick look at the colorway, as you guys know, the full upper is this sort of cream tan kind of color that's officially called the canvas colors, is featured on the midsole all the way on the upper as well as the tongue. And you know, the same goes for the medial side. You see that same tone on the rubber outsole, the suede forefoot, got the leather right there, and of course on the lateral side you have that translucent mesh material as well as on the stitching. And the accent color, as you guys know, is the signature cone orange that is now part of the pantheon of Nike colors. You see it here in the oversized swoosh, and of course on little details like the stitching on the tongue. Of course the swoosh wraps all the way around. Again, that's pretty much the base description of the shoe. You know, there's the teal right here on the flap. You have the teal colored extra laces. And of course, what's different about these Blazers is that the hang tag is now this light blue tone. So on the medial side, the signature detail of off-white Nikes is the brand print that's featured on the medial side. And of course, on the heel, you have letters such as FA18, which stand for Fall 2018, and MNSBSK, which is men's basketball, in reference to the Blazer model itself. So as you guys know, this is releasing on October 3rd for $130. It's releasing on the same day as the black and white colorway. That one's known as the Grim Reaper. So those two are dropping on the same day. Of course, we did an unboxing of the black-white Grim Reaper pair, which you can view right now if you click on that corner right there. Typically, Off-White and Nike, for their collabs, they've dropped multiple pairs on one day because they're trying to make them as like a holistic set. So this is obviously some Halloween theme. In terms of what's in the future for Nike and Virgil, it's not going anywhere anytime soon. You know, he just did a runway show at Paris Fashion Week and had a lot of Nike footwear and apparel for women in there. And there were actually Nike athletes that walked on his runway show. So Virgil's going to be a big creative partner for Nike, at least in the near future, and that means a lot more off-white Nike stuff. In that runway show, you guys saw like a remix of a Vaporfly shoe with a classic running upper, so they're going with more of those old meets new sort of hybrid kind of things, and that's just kind of like a design direction that Nike's going with their collabs moving forward, not just with Off-White, but you saw something similar with Comme des Garçons, with Sakai. They're going with that whole old and new sort of vibe. But going back to these, right now the resale prices for Off-White Blazers are incredible. I mean, the original white-black colorway starts at $1,000. The Serena Williams pair with that gradient on the midsole, again, starts at $1,000. And right now, these are going for around $800. So again, Off-White Blazers, we suspect that they're gonna eclipse that $1,000 mark as well. And again, it's like the more you wait, the higher the prices go. Like when the first Off-White Nikes dropped, a lot of the ones that were cheaper in price, such as the Zoom Fly and the Hyper Dunk and even the 97, those are available for around $400, and now they're at least double that price. So Off-White Nike is a surefire buy if you can buy them on the low end. Again, the retail is $130, but if you don't get them at retail. You're gonna have to hit the resale market, expect to pay a pretty penny, and if you can find a decently low price, which is around 500 to 600, you should snatch them up right away because they're only going up in price. And that's pretty much it. This is the All Hallows Eve colorway of the off-white Nike Blazer. Drops on October 3rd. Of course, let us know if you like this one better than the black-white pair. And of course, hit that subscribe button if you want to see more closer looks at some of the more coveted footwear out there on the market. And again, thanks for watching.